Is Jotform failing to generate PDF files? Maybe you're getting an error message, the PDF download never starts, or the file comes out blank. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Jotform PDF generation failed issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the page and try generating the PDF again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the process. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can cause PDF generation requests to fail. If you're using a custom PDF template, check for broken fields or unsupported elements. Incorrect template settings can prevent successful PDF creation. Very large images or uploaded files can slow down or stop PDF generation. Try reducing image sizes or removing unnecessary content. Old browser data can interfere with Jotform features. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and then try again. Yeah, sometimes browser-specific issues are the cause. Open Jotform in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari and test PDF generation again. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere with downloads and document generation. Disable them temporarily and test again. Account session issues can occasionally cause errors. Sign out of your Jotform account and log back in before trying again. Make sure your device has enough storage available. Low storage space can interrupt downloads and prevent PDF files from saving properly. If none of these solutions work, the problem may be on Jotform's side. I mean, server maintenance or temporary outages can affect PDF generation. And that's how to fix Jotform PDF generation failed issues in 2026. Most problems can be solved by checking templates, reducing file sizes, clearing browser data, or waiting for server issues to be resolved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.